Hello everyone, my name is RutujaPatel and I am here to discuss about PERT analysis. So what actually a PERT analysis is? The program evaluation and review technique is also known as PERT analysis. It is a statistical tool used in project management, which was designed to analyze and represent the tasks involved in completing a given project. It is more of event-oriented technique rather than start and completion oriented and is used more in those projects where time is major factor rather than cost. But also knows activities and sub-activities. PERT activity, the actual performance of a task which consumes time and require resources such as labor, material, space or machinery. It can be understood as representing the time, effort and resources required to move from one event to another. The PERT activity cannot be performed under the predecessor event has occurred. PERT sub-activity. A PERT activity can be further decomposed into a set of sub-activities. For example, activity A1 can be decomposed into A1.1, A1.2 and A1.3. Sub-activities have all the properties of activities. In particular, a subject sub-activity has predecessor or successor event just like an activity. A sub-activity can be decomposed again in finer grained and sub-activities. PERT supplies a number of tools for management with determination of concepts such as float or slack, critical path, critical activity, lead time, lag time, fast tracking, crashing, critical path, etc. So let's move to advantages. It defines and make visible dependency, facilitate identification of critical path and make this visible, facilitate identification of early start, late start and slack for each activity, provide for potential reduced project duration due to better understanding of dependency leading to improved overlapping of activities and tasks where feasible. The large amount of project data can be organized and presented in a diagram for use in decision making, can provide a probability of completing before a given time. Every coin have two sides, so there are disadvantages of PERT analysis. These are there can be potentially hundreds or thousands of activities and individual dependency relationships. PERT is not easily scalable for smaller projects. The network chart tend to be large and unwidely, requiring several pages to print and require specially sized paper. The lack of time frame on most PERT or CPM chart makes it harder to show status, although colors can help. Example given specific color for completed nodes. So here I conclude that if you as a project manager are working with a project for the first time, it would be probably be best to use PERT analysis. After using the method and getting more consistent completion time of for activities, they at that point can become the duration of those activities using CPM. While both methods are invented separated from each other, there is a definite link between the two. Thank you.